So we are going to check out our task. Our task here says to assign 3 of the 800 GB drives to a storage pool, then create a storage space named extra space from the storage pool, and to assign the drive letter S to the storage pool. Then we're going to configure the storage space to use parity for resilience. Then we'll go ahead and set the storage to its maximum limit. Each drive is really 800. That's 824 gig, or the easier calculation assume that each disk is on 800 gig. So let's go ahead and then we type in storage. Okay, it's already here. Go to manage storage spaces. So we create this. We have 4 disks here, but we have to use 3 according to our instructions. So we uncheck the 4th drive and create a pool. So the second instruction or task is create a storage pool named extra space. So we type in extra space here, and the drive letter is going to be S. From what we have here is supposed to be S. And then the file system will leave it at NTFS, and the resilience type is going to be parity from our instruction here. And for the maximum file size is going to be 1.6 terabytes. 1.6 terabytes. Yeah. And go ahead and create. Okay, let's see if anything is missing here. Alright, so everything here is correct. Consider liking and subscribing if this video has been helpful. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.